Welcome to Build iBot. How to create a talking astronaut avatar?
I'm a bot and talking about building bot. Isn't it crazy? Today I'm talking about the building astronaut avatar bot. This is a bot, okay? And how to create astronaut avatar bot. This is our astronaut avatar bot example. Okay. Today I'm going to use the below tools mainly to start this project. Most are absolutely free. As I said, most are absolutely free. Okay. One of them is OpenAI platform, ChatGPT. So OpenAI platform, it's a total platform that I'll give you the overview, and then the ChatGPT to type a message, post a message, and Google Docs. The Google Docs is one of the craziest docs I ever used it, and then this is very useful. It's browser based. You don't need to save anything or any, and it's automatically saved whenever you do. And it'll also have a links to different other docs and those things. Okay. And then the Microsoft Edge developer version. This is the newly released for from Microsoft. So there is a browser that I used is with Bing and ChatGPT integrated. So if you see the Bing and then the ChatGPT, both are integrated in this. This is very useful browser instead of the regular Chrome and Microsoft other browsers. Okay, and the BlueWillow AI. So BlueWillow AI discard channel. So I was using the previously the Mid Journey. So I had gone out of my credits like 25 pictures. After 25 pictures, you will see there's a message saying that you used all of the free, and then you don't have a free access. Okay, that's the reason I went to I subscribed to BlueWillow. Right now it is absolutely free, unlimited prompts. You can use it. Okay, and then the next one is the Lexica.art. This is one of them suggested by a few YouTubers, and it's very nice. And you generate the such for photo here, and then whichever you like, you click on that, and then you can explore this style. Okay, so this will provide you different variations and then the different style. Okay, and then if you want to fine tune the search, so you copy this prompt and put it in the you know the discard BlueWillow discard imagine prompt and search for that. So it will give you the more variations from that. Okay, that's one which I used it, Lexica.art. And last least not but least, so the MacBook Pro built-in a screen recorder with voice. This is the one right now wherever I'm presenting. This is screen recorder, the built-in screen recorder with a voice. So that can be easily get it through the it is inbuilt, so you don't need to purchase, or you don't need to use anything else than this. And then I'm gonna create the video through the Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a great tool. This is a very nice and easy tool to navigate and create your video and post it in different social channels. Okay, so that's all about today's topic, and through each and every tool that I'm using it. The first one is the OpenAI platform. I already logged in. Let me log out and log in back so that it'll. Okay, so I have my ID. So let's go through the OpenAI platform. So it'll ask you to log in. So I have a login. So continue. Okay, give the password, Continue. Okay, this is the main page, launch page of the platform OpenAI. So where you will see the the basics like quick start tutorials, examples, and then the applications. The few applications examples here like speech to text, text completion, chat. Basically, we use a chat, image generation, speech to text, and text completion. Okay, and then the examples. If you click on this quick start tutorial, it will take you to the documentation where you have all the documentation available for whichever areas like the introduction, quick start, libraries, models, then the guides like text completion, code completion, chat completion. Okay, and then if you go through the overview again and examples, it takes you to the examples. So here are the many examples that has been provided by OpenAI team. So that's for example Q&A, grammar correction, natural language, English to other, text to command. I don't see anything that I'm gonna use it as part of this build up I bought. Okay, mostly movie to emoji, something like that. Okay. Okay, the next tab is the documentation. As I said, it has got all the beautiful documentation nicely created here, and then the API reference. This is to install the API and integrate your OpenAI platform through the API, and you can use that using the Python builds and Node.js libraries. Okay, and then it authenticate with the API key. Okay, the API key will be created here, so you can see the API keys and other details about your account. Okay, so this is a free account which I created. That's the reason it is showing up here. Upgrade. So, okay. Okay, then the examples, as I said, and then the main one is playground. Okay, where I type the message here and request for the submit for the response. Okay, so the left side of the corner you see the get started. So you have all the details here like enter an instruction or select a present and watch the API respond with the completion that attempts to match the context or pattern you provided. Okay, so and then keep in mind the policies and then other things, and in the middle you have a big box where either you can type or you can speech to text. You can do that, so that it'll take it'll have a instructions and then submit, so it will give you the response. Okay, in the right side you have different modes like complete means all included, chart, insert, edit. Okay, and then you have a model. So this is the latest model available because I'm still with the chat GPT, the GPT 3 plus 3.5. That's the reason it is showing it, and these are all the parameters that you can change. If you're good at playing around, you can change all these. I'll leave it as it is as the default. Okay, okay, then let me do that speech to text instead of writing here. Okay, so the wording should be how to create a talking astronaut robot, astronaut avatar. How to create astronaut avatar. Upload audio from computer. Sorry. Okay, start recording. Hello. Okay, how to create astronaut avatar. Stop recording. Oh, this is something. How to create astronaut avatar. Cool. Okay, use as an input. That's good. So instead of typing, you can create a avatar input here through the speech to text. Okay, and then click on the green button submit. Okay, you will see all the response from this response is not only from chat, it is from the other sources also. That's the reason it will have some different way. If suppose you submit the same in chat GPT, you may get some different response. Okay, let me just copy this one into, okay, this is just for my reference. Okay, paste without format. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is something. Okay, and then go back here. So we have this how to create astronaut avatar. Let me copy this one. um, so I think I missed the one how to create a talking astronaut avatar. Okay, let me give you that one, that request. Okay, start recording. How to create a talking astronaut avatar. Okay, so this is good. Use as input. Okay, where is the input? Oh, okay, here it is. Submit. So I see there are a little bit difference between just a talking avatar, create a astronaut avatar, and talking astronaut avatar. Okay, so here you see that select a character base, choose a base character such as a human, animal, alien, a robot. Okay, and dress the avatar. Obviously, find and create clothing and accessories. Add props. Add other items to your talking astronaut avatar, such as a space helmet, a jetpack, or a utility belt. Customize the avatar. Give your avatar a unique look by changing the clothing, colors, text. Okay. Design a background. Create a space themed background. Okay, that's all good. And the program the avatar. Use programming software to write code to enable your talking astronaut avatar to speak. You can create a script for the avatar to follow, or you can program the avatar to respond to user input. Name your astronaut. Give your astronaut avatar a unique name that reflects their personality and adventure. Okay, this is cool. Let me copy this again. Okay, oh, this is something crazy without formatting. Okay, okay, now what I'm going to do, so we'll see the difference between the playground and then the chat GPT. Okay, for that you don't need to open a new tab or whatever. You just looking for chat GPT. Try it now. It opens up. Okay, and then take this, copy your input. Okay, put the input here. So the chat GPT, about all this platform, right? So I don't need to explain much. So as I logged in here, So it's already logged into the ChatGPT with the same user and passwords, user ID. So you see the different this thing here, and then the chart examples, capabilities, limitations. Okay, and in the input field, you type the input and click on submit for the response. Okay. Yep. So you will see the difference between the playground and then the chat gpt. So chat gpt has got a few more a nice response, different response than I can say the playground. So you see that creating a talking astronaut avatar can be a fun and creative project. Here are some steps. Okay, decide on the type of avatar you want to create. Okay, choose the software you will use it to create the avatar, and then avatar model. Okay, create the avatar model. This involves creating the 3D mesh of astronaut, adding textures, adding details, suit, helmet. Yeah. Animate the avatar. This is where you bring avatar to life by adding movement and facial expression. You can use a motion capture technology to capture life. Oh, this I think I need to see how it can be achieved. Okay, and then add voice and lip syncing. Record the voice of astronaut and add it to the avatar. You can use software like Adobe Character Animator. Oh, how does it would be a bot I can mimic? Hello, creating a talking astronaut avatar can be a fun and creative project. Oh, is that sounds similar to a bot? I'm not sure. Okay, test and refine. Test and refine. Oh, it's a building a project, right? So it's something similar to that. What stages of the project? Test the avatar to ensure it looks and sounds as you intended. Make any necessary adjustments. Implement the avatar. Implement the avatar variety of ways, such as in a video game, a virtual reality experience, or a virtual assistant. This would be a little bit closer to our project, because I wanted to use it as a virtual assistant, or um, text to video in the YouTube the videos. Okay, creating a talking astronaut avatar can be a complex process. Yes, but with the right tools and techniques, you can create realistic and engaging. Okay, that's cool. I'm happy with this response. Cool. Copy this for my reference and put it into this beautiful document. Okay, and then okay, now so we have used the Google Docs, OpenAI, and then the GPT, Chat GPT. Okay, now go back to your document and what. So this is the Microsoft Edge that we are using. So as I said, it has got a in inbuilt chat and Bing. Okay, so this is a great tool. So then now we are going to go to the BlueWillow AI. Instead of BlueWillow AI, let's go to Lexica.art first. Okay, so Lexica.art, as I explained before, so this is the Lexica.art. I used it and I downloaded few of them, you know um, um images through the prompt, and these are all for example. Okay, and then if you want a different variation, different size, okay, all these are all possible. And then suppose suppose you want this one, choose this one. Okay, and you see this could be a better one for the straight facing to the camera, and it can have a lip syncing and the talking. Okay, and then if suppose if you want to see more similar to that, you can do the explore this style. And if you want to select something from the get it from the other places, like to give the prompt copy prompt here. Okay, and then so this is a Lexica. So how we use the Lexica is just a home, and then put your input here, what kind of a photo or picture you want, so and search, and you can browse through that. Okay, and then take that response and go to the take this prompt and go to the channel. Okay, BlueWillow channel, and then select one of the rookie here. So that's I'm selecting the 37. Okay, similar to that, mid journey you have rooms, right? Similar to that, you have in BlueWillow the rookies, they call rookies. Okay, so type here imagine, and then a prompt. The prompt provide this one, and if you want more, you can give more details to see how it can be. Okay, so the working on, stay tuned. Yeah, so I got a response here, if you see. Okay, yeah, this seems to be dismantled hand, this we don't need. Okay, this would be better one. Okay, this is a third one. Okay, now you need upgrade and V1. So the third one, I got a response here. Where is the response? All seems to be glamorous. Okay, here it is. We have not opted this one. Oh, okay, yeah, seems good. This is not the hand is in the grass, so that's the reason you will see some kind of a discarded one. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so we'll use this one. Okay, so the save image as okay. Avatar save. So if you see, it will be saved here. Okay, okay, now the last and final the application tool that I'm going to use to create this project is Clipchamp to create a video. Okay, Clipchamp is a nice tool. So you see that home, brand kit, templates, and then you have an option create a new video, record something. Okay, and these are all my previous videos that I produced. Okay, so let's I will not go through much because I have to create the recorded video into the new video. I'll just go through the create a new video option. Okay, and then you have option to import the media. Okay, and then you have record and create, like screen and camera, screen, and then the text to speech. You have a text to speech style, you can do that. Okay, screen, you can also capture the screen. And then the templates, there are multiple templates are available, free. And then the music and SFX, text, okay, graphics, stock video, there are multiple stock videos, stock images, transitions, and then the brand kit. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet up next time. Welcome to Build I Bought.